we will see how Google Gemini 1.5 Pro stacks up against the giants like GPT 4o and 4o Mini. Get ready for a roller coaster ride of learning and fun. Now, let's understand comparison of Gemini 1.5 Pro with another giant, that is OpenGPT 4o and 4o Mini. That's the latest version. Let's have some feature comparison before we go execute few prompts. Here, we have certain features, that is performance, integration, customization, multimodal capabilities, and resource utilization, security features, and use cases. Across all these features, we will compare all the three models, that is Google Gemini 1.5 Pro, GPT-4o, and GPT-4o Mini, right? When it comes to performance, Google Gemini 1.5 Pro is high and it's in pro level with extensive customization. We can customize accordingly. But when it comes to GPT-4o, it is optimized performance and also it has reduced the resource use. When it comes to the Mini, it is always lightweight and optimized to minimal resource use. They are focusing on minimal resource usages, right? So, but in Google Gemini, it is having a extensive customization capability when it comes to performance. Then comes integration. Here, we have deep integration with only Google services actually. When whatever it is present in Google Cloud, you have integration very well. As we saw how it integrates the Python collab in Google Cloud, right? With the help of Gemini as well, integration of the API. So, how it is integrating to the products of Google on the cloud services, we just had a broad idea. Then comes to GPT, it is having integration with OpenAI APIs, both of it, because this is 4o and 4o Mini. Next comes customization. When it comes to Gemini, it is having advanced options in order to fulfill the enterprise needs. But when it comes to GPT, it is having a fine-tuning nature and also API parameters is considered. When it comes to Mini, it is having a limited customization. Next, multimodal capabilities. How many models you can integrate, how you can work. How is that capability? When it comes to Gemini, it is for text, image, video and audio integration. But when it comes to GPT, you can integrate text and images. When it comes to Mini, it is primarily text limited to multimodal support. It is not that supportive for multimodal capabilities. Then comes resource utilization. It is having a higher and extensive resource utilization in Gemini, but it is lower consumption in GPT-4 and minimal resource consumption in Mini. That is the main motto of Mini, that we have to give a minimal resource consumption capability. Then comes security feature, which is very important. Enhanced enterprise grade security, which is available in Gemini. And standard security is available in GPT-4. Basic security measures is addressed in Mini. That is the difference you have. It is just having a descending effect in few features and ascending effects in few features. If you could try to compare by yourself reading this particular content on your screen. Next comes use cases. What are the use cases we have? First thing, when it comes to Gemini, we have enterprise applications, customer support aspects and content creation aspects as well. But in GPT, you have resource constrained environments and chatbots. You have to note that few of the resources are constrained. You cannot access more than that. When it comes to Mini, it is small scale applications and it is very lightweight chatbots which can be run in your mobile alone or tabs alone, a small device compared to a large laptop or computer screen, right? So, this is the basic difference across few of the major features of the models, that is having a good way of representation, be it in Gemini 1.5 Pro or GPT-4o or GPT-4o Mini. Now, here we are at the last section, that is summary. Let's have a quick recap what all did we study in this session. So, we did that. We had a comparison between three interfaces, One was Gemini 1.5 Pro, the second one was OpenGPT, that is 4.0, then third one was 4.0 Mini. Hope this session was helpful. Thank you. Happy learning.